y'all back again with another PR package. This is from DIY Digital Art. DIY Digital Art is a low budget company that does have budget friendly stuff. They asked me if I would do another PR package, and of course I said yes, because I do like this company. Y'all know I'm all about low budget on my channel, so I told them I would. I got 3 canvases. So let's get to the unboxing. First one I'm gonna open is this one right here. It is a ballerina, is what I called it, a ballerina girl. And it's a special shaped one. And it was $7.25 on their website. And it is, like I say, special shape. It is a 30 by 40. Comes with just your regular standard toolkit. But I thought this one was really pretty. And we will take a look at it. Special shapes tend to be pricey. And this one is $7.25, but it does have some unusual stuff in it. I just thought it was just gorgeous. This one don't have like 10 special shapes and sizes on it. And it don't have any crystal codes or anything like that. So this one's not that way. This canvas is a little more stiff too. But here is the thumbnail right here on this one. But as you can see, it is special shaped. But anyway, there it is. And it is a 30 by 40. I just thought she was gorgeous. But let's open these beads, because these beads is what I think is pretty. And I have not ever seen any of those. Be a good little break in between some of the bigger canvases. Stick on here, DIY Digital Art. DIY Digital Art, I have got from them before, like I say, and they do have budget friendly. They have all kinds of accessories, all kinds of canvases, just anything like that. I'm gonna put ballerina, PA125. Okay, this one right here, y'all know I like to do food. And this was a food one, and this was a different canvas. It was a new one. I had not ever seen this canvas on any other site either. DIY Digital Art's the first one I seen it on. And I got it. Regular toolkit, y'all. And looky here. In Ziploc bags, so if y'all kit up out of the bags, be a good one. I just seen this one. This one don't have the 21 colors in it. DIY Digital. Here it is. Tell me that's not pretty. I love it. Did y'all see some of the drill film? There it is. I had not seen nothing like this. That's the strawberry plant right here, and then of course the cake, the slice of cake. But this one was unusual. This one was, let's see, $5.25 on their website, and it is a 30 by 40, and it is a round. So, okay, and then the last one is a 30 by 40. And y'all know I like my doggies, so I had to get this one. I better write on this one before I forget. This one had watermelons in it, and I love watermelons, and this dog is so cute. It's so cute. This one says all you need is love and a dog. Sticks good, y'all. This one has 25 colors in it. But y'all look at this. This is not cute. This is cuteness overload. Look. And the little glasses. Y'all know that's one reason why I got it. Plus I like this watermelon. But all you need is love and a dog. Is that not cute? He's got his little banana and a little piece of cake down here. Well, that's not really a piece of cake. It's fruit in this dog bowl. Lemons. I just thought it was cute. But this one on their website is $5.25. And that is a 30 by 40. So if y'all have not checked out DIY Digital Art, I encourage you to check them out because they do have some cute, cute canvases. And they are budget friendly. And you know, regular toolkit, you know everybody loves budget friendly. Well, I do anyway. I don't know about everybody else, but I do like budget friendly. I am a budget friendly girl. Okay, let's start again. All right, y'all. The dog. It says all you need is love and a dog with him in his little cup and the watermelon and the lemon and her little glasses and her little bow with the dog prints and fruit in her little little bowl down here. I just think it's so cute. And then the strawberry cake dessert one. It is $5.25. And then the special shaped ballerina, which is a 30 by 40, is $7.25. So I will leave links to all of the items I have showed down in the description box. If you are interested in them, that you can look them up at your own leisure time. But y'all get on there and check out DIY Digital Art. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And anyway, and when I get some of these done, I'll come back with a completion video. I hope y'all have had a great day. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you would like to be part of Diamond Grandma's family, by all means, please become part of my family and be one of my little diamonds. Hit that little subscription bell and it will upload anytime that I do a video so you won't miss it. I try to do it every day, so like I say, if the creek don't rise and the dam don't break, I try to do one every day. But anyway, I just want y'all to know I love y'all. I hope y'all come back and see me tomorrow because I'll be here. Thanks.